So you live in the city of Irvine and you have a classic car. I have a shop in Huntington Beach on Slater. Why should I go to Francisco's Automotive? Because I've been working on cars since 1975, and most of my career I specialize on classic cars. Now I'm going to show you some of the cars I work on. This is just a few of them, and I decided to share a video. This is a 1967 Dodge Coronet. I'm pretty sure it's a 67. It was the gentleman's mom. He's got a passion for it. And if you shoot underneath it, we're doing the front end, and we're going to convert it to disc brake all the way around. He wants to drive it. He wants to think about his mom when he drives it. Loves the car. He's my regular customer. Now, the car looks nice, and he wants it mechanically. This is a 1964 Bonneville. He wants to get it mechanically sound first, then he's going to get into the body and the paint and everything else. Loves the car. This is the car he wanted. This is the car he gets. A lot of times, you know, people want the car that they drove in high school, or their girlfriend or their mom or something drove. Now, if you look over here, we got ourselves a 1970 Mustang. This 1970 Mustang was done correctly. He couldn't get it running. He's been trying to get it running. He heard about me through, you know, word of mouth, and he found out that if anybody could get it running, Francisco can get it running. This is a beautiful car, 1970 Mustang. He did it correctly. If you have a car like this, you got to be careful who you take it to. Are they going to respect your car? When the car comes in here, when I'm done with it, I call them up. The only thing I ask them is to pick it up right away. You got any questions? You're going to buy a car, you're going to sell a car, you're going to work on a classic car. How should I do it? How should I start, Francisco? If you can afford to pay somebody to do it all, pay somebody. If you're going to do it yourself, you give me a call, 714-375-2661. I've been working on cars since 1975, and most of my career, classic cars. These are the cars that we enjoy working on. Thank you for watching the video.